This is Scion XB 2005, and today we are replacing injector connectors and also ignition coils connectors. So we're gonna start with
We're just gonna show one.
injector connection.
This one is not the worst shape, but the other ones were really bad. So we're gonna remove this white thing on the top, like from the sides. Start from the side, work yourself out, like that. See how it looks? There is a clicky on this side that he is holding. Now, there is a little, can they see it? A little nub
On the bottom.
Yeah, you just push it, stick it and push it up. Same with the other one.
And
just like that. See, you release these two
wires.
things over there. Yeah. This is how it looks inside. Now we're gonna put a new one. Grab a new one.
So as you can see, we installed new ones already.
This is a new one comes. So we're gonna do the same thing.
Open it.
Here we go. Starts moving out of the way. Just like that. So we do the same procedure on this side by pulling one wire out. Take each one, push, slide it out, just like that. Take it to the side. Do the same thing with the other side. Just like that. Now we slide these back in.
Insert the new wires.
Yeah, this openings go to the top with theirs hooks are.
And how do you know which wire goes where?
It doesn't matter. They're all the same.
Matter. What do
It's
you
gonna
mean?
fire.
No, they should be different.
There we go. See? It's all in there.
Okay, now let's put this on top.
Just put the same way as you pull it out.
Yeah.
It is the same way, so I didn't change anything. It's the same way. So now this thing goes back
On top.
where it came from. Just like that. It stays back in place. And we install it where it needs to go. That injector. Click, click. And it's done.
That's it.
That's it.
So let's replace that one.
Let's do.
As you can see, this one's broken off. Right here. So it doesn't lock.
Start removing that. Just like that. We remove the top. Still not in the worst shape though, looking. Okay, and now we're gonna remove every pin, which is harder. This is gonna be a tougher.
There's 4 pins.
There's a 4 pins here. It's gonna be tougher. Oh,
Oh,
everything is cracking. Look at this. It's really bad. Oh, comes off easy on its own. Pretty much just break these loose. Oh yeah, see? It's gonna be even easier than I thought. See, they're all broken off now. There we go.
Just don't mix the wires.
Yeah, don't. Make sure you don't.
Okay, and these are the new ones we have.
Okay, just go on the top, like so. Back in place. Click, click, click. You should click. And that thing goes on the top again. Just like that. Now you have a new connector.
It's that easy, guys.
That's it. It's that easy.
And you can get these on eBay. So If this video was helpful, please like the video and also subscribe to my channel.